the service line. Good serve by number 10. Good receive. 28 sets it up. Nice, but blocked by Alec Nitres. Fuentes, quick attack. Blocked by Alec Nitres. Masuka. Blocked by Phoenix. Alec Nitres there. Castells. Now it's 11. Serving 3 in favor of Allied Knights. 10 serve. Good serve by number 10. But it sails in. Service is Allied Knights. Once again, the score is 12. Serving 3 in favor of Allied Knights. Silent please as the players are at the service line. Thank you. Let's receive services. Allied Knights. All right, once again, number 10 at the service line. 6-0-1. And Rising Phoenix attacks blocked by the lead. Goes to 11. Alive number 5, the lead. Goes to 11. Allied Knights is on the streak with 7-0-1. Will the Rising Phoenix stop the bleeding? Number 10 at the service line. Strong serve by number 10. Good receive, Tres Fuentes. Back to attack. Receive by our Knights. Was there, Masuka. 18 spikes. Knocked over. Point to Allied Knights. Point check-in. It's 15. Serving 3. Still number 10 at the service line. Once again, strong serve by number 10. Masuka receives it. Tres Fuentes. Number 18 attack. Someone was there. Captain sets it up. Miscommunication. But still going to Allied Knights. Request for a timeout from the Rising Phoenix. Mukhang malayo pa rin po ang nakakulit ng Rising Phoenix. Win ang score currently at 8-2-6-3. Players back to the court. Alright, player already at the service line. Number 10, serve. Strong serve once again received by Phoenix. Tres Fuentes to 18. Drop. And goes to Rising Phoenix. Finally, Rising Phoenix stops the bleeding with Masuka at the service line. Serve. Strong serve by Masuka. Someone was there to receive. Captain to number 2. Strong attack to Allied Knights. Number 7, Daliling at the service line. Good serve, good receive. But it's a service. Point, Allied Knights. 5, serving 19. Strong serve. And it's an ace! Going to Rising Phoenix! Serve. Good serve. It sails out point to Lighthouse. Substitution for Lighthouse. Alright, it's number 6 at the service line. Alright, good received by Phoenix. Number 18, drop ball. Aling night was there, set by the Filipino. And it's number 18 at the service line, 7, serving 20. Good serve by Rising Phoenix. Filipino was there, number 6. At that goes inside, point to Alay Knights. And now it's number 2 at the service line. Ball sails out, point to Rising Phoenix. Number 28 serves over receive, but still, ball and point goes to Alay Knights. Now it's number 17 at the service line, and well received by Aquina. Easy over, does not go over, point to Alay Knights. It's 23 serving 8. Strong serve by Alay Knights. Abina, good reception. 17 attacks. And the ball goes for Rising Phoenix. Number 17 at the service line. 67 now. Good by the captain, attack by Alay Knights.